Hi, this is Soren Swift, and today we're gonna take some rolling shots. I'm shooting with the Canon 5D4. I'm using the 17-40 f4 lens. I really like this lens because it's a really wide lens. I really like taking rolling shots because it makes the car look like it's going really fast. The wheels are blurred and the background's blurred. I shoot anywhere between 1/60th and 100th. It's a slow shutter that allows you to get the cool blur. So today, we're just driving around and trying to find some cars to take rolling shots of. So when I take rolling shots, I make sure that I have the strap like wrapped around my arm, and I still have my seatbelt on, and then I just reach out the window and just click it. So one thing I learned as a photographer is that you always have to make sure to have your autofocus on. I've had so many times where I accidentally bumped it and it made the pictures really blurry. So when I'm hanging out of the car, it's really hard because it's really windy. If you're wearing a hat, make sure you take it off. So when I take rolling shots, I make sure to get really low to the ground like this. It's really important to keep the camera still because you don't want your picture to be all blurry. So this is one of my favorite angles to shoot rolling shots of. It allows you to get the front and side of the car and most of the road. I also like this angle, but you have to be over a lane in order to get this picture. Another angle that I like is the back way. It's kind of hard because you have the mirror in the way, so you could either shoot above it or below it. So today we're in my dad's Cadillac cts-v. It's a pretty recognizable car. If you see us on the road, make sure you pull up to us so we can take some rolling shots of your car. So come along, let's see if we can take some rolling shots of cars today. So we can't take rolling shots of him. Okay, so we're back on the hunt for another cool car. So this is a really cool spot to take rolling shots of because it has the ocean in the background. So when I take rolling shots, I like it to have a lot of like trees and stuff in the background because it adds more blur. Look at this old Chevelle. side-scrolling shots of a lot of cars. So after I edit these, I will upload them to my Instagram. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram.